The Reproductive Health Bill aims to ensure universal access to reproductive health services, promoting informed choices and improving public health outcomes. Let's explore its key components and impacts. Key components and public health impact. The bill focuses on providing access to contraception, maternal care, and reproductive education. Access to contraception reduces unplanned pregnancies, lowering maternal mortality and improving child health. Comprehensive reproductive education equips individuals, especially adolescents, with the knowledge to make informed decisions about their health. Impact on different demographics. For women, it empowers them to control their fertility and pursue economic opportunities. Adolescents gain crucial education to prevent early pregnancies and sexually transmitted infections. Rural population benefits from improved access to healthcare services through logistic challenges remain in remote areas. The Reproductive Health Bill addresses critical health disparities, but its success effective implementation tailored to diverse community needs. It's a step toward healthier, more equitable societies.